The objective of today's meeting is to plan for upcoming events and to plan explicitly for the interstate and historical cultural competition of the year's program. I and I'm asked Ms. Osha to present a brief overview on the thing before that. So I think getting the audience of to more time and work there is the point. You should we need to like arts for into arts wishes. It's lesson there. So it be very catching, but it should be very cost efficient and we should plan accordingly. And then for rehearsals and dry runs and execution and the over word of she's program is he is one crowd of his occasion looks. So that's a bit try for the upcoming for the podcasting. It's actually tangibles on the A looks and then invitation and participate. That's my suggestion that for to be involved in the state cultural boards, universities and artists for expertise and for participation. Okay, just the retail budget, including the venue, and travel and the accommodation of the city. Because of that, we want to like or cultural events, so it's like that. Okay, and
Anything else we can hike the ticket rates, and if you don't, let's reduce it.
Yes, to person of this awards. Yes, one was the big options. Most of the foreigners who come here are basically like this awards, but rather than the retail foreigners that place the two more the computer culture MLT thanks to that this Twitter is going seriously and our guests should not be troubled by any means and the artists also should not be dropped. Specific responsibilities have been and deadlines establishment and efficiency. Let's ensure this is one of them a beacon for cultural excellence. I look forward to seeing our plans come to like waiting until. Thank you very much.